Hypothyroidism. Introduction. Which one of the following is true about the thyroid gland? Choose one of the following options. 1. It has 2 lobes. 2. It has at least 4 parathyroid glands close to it. 3. It makes important hormones. 4. All of the above. Correct. Mark has been feeling depressed. He has been sensitive to cold and has trouble remembering things. Should Mark contact his healthcare provider about these symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Depression, sensitivity to cold, and poor memory may be signs of a problem. Mark should contact his healthcare provider. It is important to talk with your healthcare provider if you have symptoms of hypothyroidism. Select true or false. Correct. If left untreated, hypothyroidism can lead to complications. Hashimoto's thyroiditis slows down the thyroid's ability to make hormones. Select true or false. Correct. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is the most common cause of hypothyroidism. Anyone can have hypothyroidism. Select true or false. Correct. Hypothyroidism is most common in women and adults over 60, but anyone can have hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism can be controlled with medication. Select true or false. Correct. Hypothyroidism can often be controlled with medication, but you must take the right dose every day. Thank you for using Explain.